my name's Ashley Deyes. I'm a makeup artist and I'm here to take you through how to create the perfect disco eye this party season in partnership with SpaceNk and SheerLuxe. When it comes to sparkle, we're going to just do the lid, nothing underneath, keep it super classic. As you can see, I've already got on liner and mascara prepped, and then we're going to go in with the glow. When it comes to sparkle, you want to do 2 layers just to make sure that you get the real depth of sparkle and get that full-on disco eye. Start with the cream and then go in with powder. The cream shadow that I'm going in with is by Elia and it is in the shade Glaze and it is their eye tint. Glide across the lid, and this isn't going to give sparkle, but it's just going to give a great base for the sparkle to grab onto. You don't need any brushes with this, just your ring finger. We always use ring finger because it has the least pressure. So it's perfect to pat the product into the skin. When you're creating a full eyeshadow look, one thing to look out for is that you don't have anything on your lid when you start. Liner is completely fine, but make sure you have no remnants of concealer or foundation on the eye area. Concealer in particular is designed to really hydrate and nourish the under eye area, so on the lid it just doesn't work and nothing will set right on top of it. When your cream shadow is in place, grab yourself a nice powder sparkle shadow. Now I'm going to be using the Lisa Eldridge eye palette, which I absolutely love, and I'm going to be using the shade Supernova. The top tip when it comes to sparkle shadow is press it on, never blend, and never use a brush. When it comes to sparkle or glitter, if you use a brush, you're just going to buff the product. It's going to go everywhere and you're not going to get that real depth to the product. So really work the sparkle onto your fingertip, and then in a pressing motion, starting in the center. So we're pressing it into the skin and you want to start right into the crease and then drag it down. So you get most of the sparkle on the movable lid and then less near the liner. You still want to keep your liner darker for definition, but keep the sparkle right up in this crease here. For me, it's all about being simplistic and easy to apply, so a nice sparkle shadow used with your ring finger on top of the cream is perfect. Now the sparkle is in place, I'm going to go for the Seamless Black Powder Shadow, and what we're going to do with this is just press it over the liner to give a slightly smokier finish, but to make sure we get rid of any sparkle that's dropped down. If you're someone that likes to take this underneath, this is the perfect time that you would use the same shadow and create that smokiness on the lower lash line. For me, when I do a sparkle shadow or a sparkly eye, I always like to keep a nice rich nude for the lips, so it keeps it really classic and really minimal on the lip. The Lip Suede Matte Lipstick by Westman Atelier. I love these lipsticks. Super classic, and this is a really nice winter nude. Feel free to also use the same shade on your cheeks for a little flush of colour. If you've already got mascara like me and you've done a glitter eye, the last check is that it's not got onto your lashes. You want to make sure your lashes are super bold and super intense. So you can grab your mascara, have a little check, and then just take through the product to make sure you have maximum impact and no sparkle has made it down onto the lashes. And that is it, a super simple, sparkly, disco-like eye to take you through party season.